Hey everyone, this is Steve from OpenBOM, and in this video we're going to revisit what the best practice is for for creating OpenBOMs in Onshape if you're using Onshape's linked document features. I've modeled this table, and I've got one part per document. We can see across the top here I've got a pad and a foot assembly and a leg and a leg assembly and a tabletop and a table assembly. Those are all separate Onshape documents, and they're all linked together using Onshape's link command. So in the past, if I was using linked documents, you might have found the method for building a bill of material somewhat difficult. So we've made some significant improvements in this release, and you're going to find it to be simple and reliable. So let's go ahead and add an OpenBOM to this table assembly. I'm going to choose the multi-level single tab option, which I think you'll find suits most workflows best. So we're going to choose a multi-level single tab. I'm going to use the top level assembly and take a quick peek at the properties that I'm bringing in. And these are the properties that I want. And then let's create a bill of material. So OpenBOM is navigating through all those links, getting the part information, property information, and the relationships, and building a bill of material. Much like it has in earlier releases, but this one will be simpler and more reliable. Okay, so here we go. We see we have the table assembly, which consists of a table, a leg assembly. Each assembly has a leg, and a foot assembly, and each foot assembly has a foot and a pad. Okay, that's exactly what we wanted, and we can move forward from here. Let's go through making a simple change, and I'll demonstrate what you need to do in Onshape to roll up that change. This is mostly Onshape functionality. We'll be using the update link document command quite a bit. So let's just go right to the bottom, so to speak, and let's make a change to the foot. Okay. We will change the number of sides here to 3. And we've got a nice triangular foot there. We know that linked documents in Onshape are linked to versions, so we will snap a version there on the foot and move to the foot assembly, where we see that it is telling us that the foot has a newer version. So let's go ahead and update the linked documents. Let's update them all. Okay. We'll move ahead from that to the leg assembly. Well, pardon me, we're going to make a version here as well. And then we'll move on to the leg assembly, where we'll do the same. And what we're doing here is we're rolling these changes up, obviously, through the various assembly levels. And we will snap a version. And that has created a version at the leg assembly level, and we'll move on to the table, where again we'll see that the table is telling us that it's out of date. Gives us some indication of what has changed. We're going to update the linked documents. And let's just watch the feet right here. Okay, great. We get our new 3-sided triangular foot. And then finally, let's visit the OpenBOM bill of material, update the BOM, and OpenBOM will bring those changes in. So that's probably more levels of change than you'll do in one sitting. For the purpose of this demonstration, I wanted to roll up through several levels. I think you'll find this workflow to be much more reliable, and we are definitely interested in your feedback. So let us know at support@openbom.com. And here is our updated bill of material. See, got the triangle pad. So, okay. So just to summarize real quick, we build a single tab, multi-level bill of material in Onshape. We make a change, and then we go through the Onshape linked documents, creating versions and updating the links in the upper level assemblies, and then update the bill of material. And we'll get a reliable representation of the product structure in OpenBOM. So thanks for listening.